Hey guys, welcome back to all new Cold Culture Automotive video. Today I'm going to be installing a cold air intake on this Powerboost, and let's see what happens. So unfortunately it's super windy outside, so I'm not going to be doing very much talking during the video, and if I do, I'll actually overlay it on. So of course the first step to doing this is to put a new air intake in. You got to take the old air intake out. So that's what I'm going to go out there and do, and I'll go ahead and show you guys a little bit of that. Okay, so all of this is going to have to come out. This connecting over to here, it's all going to have to come out. Looks like there's just some clips, some little bolts. Doesn't look too hard, but maybe I'll show you guys each step along the way. Remember guys, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below and I'll help you out. Hey guys, so I finally got it taken out. Probably took me like, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. The original cold air intake. No real problem with it at all. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty straightforward. Sorry for the wind, sorry for the sun on my face type of thing, but here, right there is where it all was. So that's all you gotta look at right here. Alrighty, so I just drilled those holes into the air box. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous about that. From what I could tell, I didn't feel like printing out no template. I just thought I'd eyeball it, and it actually came out perfect. I'll let you guys take a look for yourselves, but yeah, I mean, I don't really drill things. Well, I haven't drilled into things a lot. I mean, I can probably count the amount of times I've done that on one hand. So, you know, don't be too scared to do this on your own as long as you have the right size drill bit. But let's go ahead and take a look right here. So as you can see, those are the two holes. They line up perfectly. So those are two holes, they line up perfect. So I'm pretty happy about it. So now it's time to get the rest of this install done. Alrighty guys, so the intake is installed. I should have probably shown more step-by-step guides here, but it's very, very simple. And if you download the instructions, it's also very easy to do. If you have any questions though, just comment down below. I'll answer them if I know them, unless you have like a specific problem. But let's go ahead and take a deeper look at this. So there it is right there. It looks beautiful. Keeps the stock bass mouth. There's those tubes in. Everything is really nice, guys, really high quality. Everything's in there good. We opted to put the white sticker right there on top of the air intake because the truck is white. So it just made sense to have the white sticker on there, kind of show it off. I also put the sticker that shows everything if I need to order another one inside of the box, so it's nice and protected and I can still see it if need be. But yeah guys, it looks pretty good. What do you think that engine bay looks like after? Pretty good, especially on a Powerboost. For some reason, nobody is putting any of these on Powerboost, and I can't find it anywhere online. This is probably gonna be the first one you see. If this is the first one you see, put it down below, tell me, hey, this is the first one I've seen online. Let us know, because the information would just be nice to know. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. We're gonna go test this thing out, so stay tuned for that video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.